We will now install the CallN Thin Client software that will run on the PC or server you will be using to record all your calls. CallN recommends a dedicated Windows-based PC, server or virtual server running at all times. The hardware requirements are very reasonable and inexpensive. For more information on these minimum PC requirements, visit the Help Centre on the calln.com website. Then scroll down to the Computer Specifications for CallN section. If you have a PC or server ready, log in as an administrator now. Now proceed to open the CallN welcome email that you would have received when you signed up. It contains your CallN account domain, username and auto-generated password. To download the Thin Client, simply visit the Help Centre and scroll to Downloads. Here you'll find a link to download the latest Thin Client. Simply save the file to your chosen location, and once the download is complete, open the downloaded executable file to run the installation. Now that the Thin Client is installed, you will need to configure it with your account details from the CallN welcome email. Click on the tray icon. Go to Options, enter your domain, username and password. Once this is complete, click OK. The CallN Thin Client is now installed and ready to record calls. That's it for this instructional video. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us by visiting our website at calln.com.